Another day, another video of first aid by How to Cure Shingles in 3 Days, First Aid by. Welcome to our guide on how to cure shingles in 3 days. Shingles is a painful skin condition caused by the same virus that causes chickenpox. Fortunately, there are several methods of treating shingles quickly and effectively. In this guide, we'll provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to reduce the symptoms and duration of your shingles in just 3 days. With the right combination of medication, rest, and home remedies, you can be on the road to recovery in no time. What is a shingle? Essential oils. Shingles is a painful and often debilitating condition that can last for weeks or even months. But essential oils may offer some relief. A variety of essential oils have been used to treat shingles and offer natural, safe and effective relief. To cure shingles in 3 days, you can use a combination of essential oils, such as lavender, tea tree, and eucalyptus, applied topically to the affected area. You can also add a few drops of the oil to a warm bath, or make a compress or poultice with the oils. Additionally, you can diffuse the oils in your home to help reduce pain and inflammation. In addition to natural remedies, be sure to follow your doctor's advice for any medications or treatments, as well as getting plenty of rest and drinking lots of fluids to help your body fight the infection. Cold compresses. Cold compresses can be an effective way to alleviate the symptoms of shingles. To use cold compresses to treat shingles, start by taking a cool or cold shower. Afterwards, use a clean cloth soaked in cold water and apply it to the affected area. Leave the compress on for 20 minutes and then repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day. Doing this for 3 days can help reduce the pain and itching associated with shingles. It's important to avoid hot compresses, as they can make the condition worse. Additionally, make sure to keep the affected area clean and dry to prevent infection and further irritation. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a powerful natural remedy for shingles. It has been used for centuries to treat a variety of skin ailments, including shingles. To use witch hazel for shingles, you should apply it topically to the affected area 3 times a day. For best results, use a cotton swab or ball to apply the witch hazel to the skin and let it sit for at least 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Witch hazel has anti-inflammatory, astringent, and antiseptic properties, which can help reduce irritation and inflammation associated with shingles, providing relief within a few days. If symptoms persist after 3 days of using witch hazel, you should consult a doctor for further treatment. Cool baths. Taking cool baths is an effective way to cure shingles in just 3 days. As shingles is an infection caused by the varicella zoster virus, which is the same virus that causes chickenpox, cooling baths can help to reduce the inflammation and itching associated with the infection. To take a cool bath, fill your bathtub with cool water and add either Epsom salts or baking soda to it. Soak in the bath for at least 15 minutes and then dry yourself off with a soft towel. Repeat this process every day for 3 days and you should start to notice a reduction in the symptoms associated with shingles. Additionally, it is important to keep the affected area clean and dry to further reduce the symptoms. Oat baths. Oat baths can be an effective way to treat shingles in as little as 3 days. To begin, fill a bathtub with warm water. Add 1 to 2 cups of rolled oats to the water and mix them into the water with your hand. Allow the oats to soak for 10 minutes before stepping into the bathtub. Soak in the tub for 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to remain in the water until the oats have softened. After the bath, rinse off with cold water and pat dry with a clean towel. Repeat this process up to 3 times a day for 3 days for best results. This simple yet effective remedy can help reduce the severity of the shingles, as well as soothe any itching and discomfort associated with it. Gentiana scabra. Gentiana scabra, also known as bitter root, has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health conditions including shingles. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and analgesic properties which can help reduce the severity of shingles symptoms. To effectively cure shingles in 3 days, Gentiana scabra must be taken in tincture form 3 times a day. Additionally, a topical ointment or cream can be applied directly to the affected area to reduce pain and inflammation. It is important to note that Gentiana scabra may interact with other medications, so it should be discussed with a doctor before use. With regular use, Gentiana scabra can be an effective way to treat shingles in just 3 days. Dietary remedies. Dietary remedies are an effective and natural way to cure shingles in just 3 days. Foods high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds can help reduce the severity and duration of shingles. Eating foods rich in lysine, such as fish, beans, and eggs, can also help speed up the healing process. Additionally, avoiding foods high in arginine, such as chocolate and nuts, can help prevent the virus from replicating and spreading. Drinking plenty of fluids and staying hydrated can also help reduce symptoms. With these dietary remedies, shingles can be cured in as little as 3 days. Vitamin supplements. Vitamin supplements can be a great way to help cure shingles in 3 days. Taking a daily dose of vitamin C, zinc, and lysine can help reduce the severity and duration of shingles. Vitamin C helps to boost the immune system, zinc helps to reduce inflammation, and lysine helps to reduce the itching associated with shingles. Additionally, avoiding foods high in sugar and saturated fats can help to reduce the duration of shingles. Getting plenty of rest and drinking plenty of fluids can also help to speed up the healing process. Finally, applying a cold compress to the affected area can help to reduce the itching and burning sensation. By following these steps, you can help to cure shingles in 3 days. Quit smoking. Quitting smoking is an important step in leading a healthier lifestyle, and it can also help you prevent and reduce the risk of getting shingles. Shingles is an infection caused by the varicella zoster virus, which is the same virus that causes chickenpox. While there is no cure for shingles, there are some steps you can take to help reduce the symptoms and duration of an infection. First and foremost, if you smoke, it is essential to quit as soon as possible. Smoking can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infection. Additionally, you should keep the affected area clean and dry and avoid touching or scratching the rash. Over-the-counter medications such as ibuprofen and acetaminophen can help reduce pain and inflammation. Lastly, if you are prescribed antiviral medications, it is important to take them as prescribed for the full course of treatment to help shorten the duration of the infection and reduce the risk of complications. With these steps, you can help reduce the severity and duration of shingles and reduce your risk of getting it again in the future. Reduce stress. Reducing stress is an essential part of managing chronic conditions such as shingles. Taking time to relax and practice self-care can help your body fight off the virus. To reduce stress, try activities like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Additionally, stay active and get plenty of sleep. Eating a balanced diet and avoiding alcohol and tobacco can also help reduce stress levels. When it comes to curing shingles in 3 days, the most important thing is to start treatment as soon as possible. Antiviral medications can help reduce the severity and duration of the infection. Additionally, topical creams and ointments can help reduce pain and itching. Make sure to schedule regular follow-up visits with your doctor to ensure the infection is healing properly. Baking soda and cornstarch paste. Shingles is a painful condition that can be cured in 3 days by using a baking soda and cornstarch paste. To make the paste, mix equal parts of baking soda and cornstarch in a bowl and add a small amount of water until it forms a thick paste. Apply the paste directly to the affected area of the skin and allow it to sit for 15 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. This process should be repeated 3 times a day for 3 days. The baking soda and cornstarch paste helps to reduce inflammation and provide relief from the pain associated with shingles. It is important to consult a doctor if the symptoms do not improve after 3 days of treatment. Homeopathic or herbal remedies. Homeopathic or herbal remedies are a great way to naturally cure shingles in 3 days. Homeopathic remedies such as aconite, belladonna, and RHU's tox are known to reduce the severity and duration of shingles. Herbal remedies such as echinacea, golden seal, and licorice root are also known to be effective in treating shingles. Additionally, other home remedies such as cold compresses, oatmeal baths, and honey chamomile tea can help reduce inflammation and itching. Make sure to seek medical advice before using any homeopathic or herbal remedies. With the right combination of homeopathic and herbal remedies, you can successfully cure shingles in just 3 days. Stick to loose, cotton clothes. When it comes to curing shingles in 3 days, it's important to stick to loose, cotton clothes. This type of clothing helps to reduce the discomfort that can be caused by the virus, and it also helps to keep the skin cool and dry. Additionally, it's important to keep the affected area clean and dry, so it's best to avoid wearing synthetic fabrics or materials that can trap moisture. Additionally, it's best to get plenty of rest, keep the affected area well moisturized, and take medications prescribed by your doctor in order to reduce the duration of the infection. Vaseline. Vaseline can be a helpful solution to curing shingles in 3 days. To use it, apply a generous amount of Vaseline to all of the affected areas. Ensure that the Vaseline is spread evenly and that it is completely covering the affected area. Do this twice a day for 3 days. After applying Vaseline, wrap the affected area in a clean cloth or bandage to keep the Vaseline in place and to protect it from dirt and bacteria. After 3 days, the pain, itching, and inflammation of the shingles should be greatly reduced. While there is no guaranteed way to cure shingles in 3 days, there are a number of treatments that can help alleviate the symptoms and reduce the duration of the infection. These treatments include over-the-counter pain medications, cool compresses, antiviral medications, and topical creams. Make sure to talk to your healthcare provider to decide which treatment is best for you.